First time namin, invite kami ng Palu. Dito yan sa SM Muntinlupa. Opening nila.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga Zoom! Today is December 28 and ilang araw na lang bago mag 2026. Kaya para sa vlog na ito, naisip ko na magkaroon ng general cleaning dahil maganda ang malinis na pamamahay sa pagpasok ng bagong taon. Para malinis lahat. So today, nakaalat ang buong araw namin sa paglilinis ng buong bahay. Especially ang room ng kids. Ang dami nilang nakuhang mga new gifts, mga new clothes. Kaya it's time to declutter kung ano yung mga kailangan ng idodonate, mga damit na maliliit, ipamimigay na lang. And ngayon, my role is to clean their rooms and organize kung ano yung mga dapat i-let go. Siyempre, kasama ko at katulong ko si Lele. Di ba, Leos? Para yung unang mga gamit niya, alam niya kung ano yung mga ibibigay niya na yung mga hindi niya na kailangan. Di ba, Leos? That one, hindi mo na kailangan. Kasi nakuha mo na yung laman. Anuhin mo yan? That's a big question kasi, Lele. You have to stay yung mga... You have to keep yung mga kailangan mo, yung magagamit mo, okay?
Wait, what's Jesse in here?
Yeah, we only have limited space kasi. Kaya, ayan, sa room niya. Actually, nag-start na ako dito sa room ni Mimi. I started cleaning also the bathroom. Yan. Hindi ko pa natatapon yun. Pero, ayan, nagsisimula na ako dito. Ino-organize ko na yung vanity ni Mimi. Okay, kaya samahan niyo ako sa paglilinis ng room nila. So this is the before and hopefully magkaroon na ng after maya-maya. Let's go, Lele. Let's do this. Lele, ito yung mga basura. Make sure it's organized. Ibig sabihin ng organized, magkakasama yung magkakaparehas. Okay? Kaya nito, mga papers. Kasama dito yung mga papers, mga books, mga kung ano-ano. Sa vanity, dapat nakalagay yung mga mask.
Alright, so the kids' beds are done. Their room is nice and clean, as you can see here. Kanina ang daming mess, but as you can see now, it's quite a lot cleaner. Mummy did the bed and folded their stuff, put it away, and organized all their toys from underneath. And this is Mimi's bed. So all her teddies are all lined up already. Although a lot of the time she sleeps here on this bed when she sleeps on the floor in the bedroom. The only thing we couldn't clean was this. Yeah, and see Mimi got to drawing. She said it was Aaliyah, but we know it's Mimi because of her writing. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions in the comments how to clean, this is parang suede ata, so hopefully there's a way. Yeah, and so she also did it here on the walls. So we're probably gonna have to repaint that and somehow get this off. This is Aaliyah's bed. It's all organized now. So Mummy did all of this. And then she also organized the toys underneath for the most part. Actually, I think Aaliyah did a bit of this as well. Kaya medyo messy pa rin dito. But on Mimi's side, she has these containers. Then, as you can see here, they've been sticking stickers all over their cabinets. So, yan. Ang daming mess na, but we'll have to repaint that soon. Alrighty guys, We are off to pickleball. We're here at SM Marikina. Actually, it's our night tonight for our team, but yeah, we're quite late. But the team decided to extend from 10 p.m. until 12 midnight. So we thought we'd make it. It's like 9:50 now. So let's go.
Hi mga Zoobs! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat! Today is December 30 at tayo ay andito ngayon sa parking lot. Holiday siya, kaya andito kami ngayon, gumagala. Naligaw kami sa SM Muntinlupa.
This is the furthest we've ever been.
First time namin invite kami ng Palu. Dito yan sa SM Muntinlupa. Opening nila. Para sa, ayan! Yun na nga. Opening ni SM Palu dito sa Muntinlupa. SM Muntinlupa. Ang daming. Uy!
Hi, Mom!
Kain. Hindi pa ako makain. Hello!
Luis.
Hi, Diana po.
Hello, Monty.
I watch you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Diba we met him sa PCO?
Yeah.
Lagi kayo sa Marikina na, lakas. Lakas galing nito. Load.
Siya lang magaling. Nandito na si Jeffrey. Halika na, uwi na tayo.
Uwi na tayo kasi late siya.
Okay, uwi na kami.
Pag
Uwi na kami.
pinadayo niyo ako rito,
Ah!
uwi na?
Anong oras na?
Oh?
Last game na.
Eh sakto, magbibilyar na lang ako. Nagkasenta ako dyan.
Ay, hello. Hello po. Ano sabi mo?
Biro lang.
Ano sabi mo?
Nabibwisit ako sa mga lumalapit
Pia.
sa akin.
Ayan.
Very, very near. QC. Asa Muntinlupa. Dayuhin nyo na.
Ang lapit lang, di ba? Ilang minutes?
Mga, ano lang, 20 to 40. Huwag sila nga. Bawal.
Walang traffic eh.
40 lang. 44.
From our house.
Exactly.
Yeah. Go, Beb! Sira na lalo.
Ha?
Sira na yung paddle niya.
Dapat talaga ako lalaro ngayon. Sama na pakiramdam.
Naku! Style! Naman ikaw lang wala. Pag pinag-uusapan ka na nga namin eh.
Hindi ka ba nagulunan? Ay,
Ang dami na nga sinabi ni Carlene about you.
wow! Grabe!
Wow!
Wow naman.